In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit your payroll settings on Gusto. Managing payroll can seem daunting, but with Gusto, it's a streamlined and intuitive process. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in handling your payroll settings smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and go to gusto.com. This is the starting point for accessing all the features Gusto offers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in with your account details. If you're new to Gusto, you should have received an email with login instructions when you set up your account. If you're a returning user, simply enter your credentials to proceed. After logging in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on Pay. This section is where you can access and edit all your payroll settings. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not a payroll expert, you'll find it easy to navigate. Next, you'll need to fill out your company profile. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your company information is up to date and accurate. In this section, you'll provide details such as your company name, address, and contact information. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues with your payroll processing. Once your company profile is complete, it's time to add your payroll details. This is where you'll enter important information about your payroll schedule, pay rates, and any benefits your company offers. Take your time with this step, as accurate payroll details are essential for smooth operations. This is also a great opportunity to double-check that all employee classifications and pay structures are correctly set up. Now, create your own profile and add team members. Setting up profiles for yourself and your team is vital for managing payroll effectively. Each profile should include basic information like names, job titles, and email addresses. This ensures that everyone receives their pay stubs and any relevant notifications seamlessly. Once your team is set up, you'll need to share state tax details. Gusto makes it easy to manage your tax responsibilities by helping you input the necessary state tax information. This includes your state tax ID and any applicable unemployment insurance details. Properly sharing these details ensures compliance with state regulations and prevents any legal hiccups down the line. With tax information in place, it's time to sign documents and verify your bank account. During this step, you'll electronically sign necessary payroll documents and provide your bank details for direct deposit. Gusto will review your account to ensure everything is in order. This verification process is essential for secure and timely payroll transactions. After all the setup is complete, you're ready to run your first Gusto payroll. This is the moment where all your preparations come together. Simply follow the prompts to enter payroll amounts and confirm the payment schedule. Gusto will handle the rest, making sure your team is paid accurately and on time. Finally, celebrate your first Gusto payday. Once the payroll is processed, your employees will receive their payments directly into their bank accounts. You can rest easy knowing that your payroll is managed efficiently and securely with Gusto. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your payroll settings on Gusto. Remember, Gusto is designed to simplify your payroll tasks, so don't hesitate to explore other features that might benefit your business. Thanks for watching and happy payroll managing.